Hi! Today I'm gonna creating the nest theme. The overall design I would like to use is already prepared. There's this seed pocket here, and this inside will be like this. After that, they should have a mat on top of that. What's the insert that I want to use? I think I'll just grab the photo mat that I create in the. That means we'll have this thing. So this is 4 by 4.5. This is 4. I'll use this 3 to see how it looks like. Got it. So basically it's a 3 by 8.5 inches. So I'll put that in this corner. And the same thing, I'm gonna chop this corner, but not inches. I think I'll deal with 0.5 inches. Just because it's slimmer, so that would make more sense. Measure 0.5 inches on each side. So therefore, align 2 of them on the blade track. So they will be just fine. It's the same. Yeah, and see how it looks. I think it's pretty good. Yeah, 2 and 3/4. So that's basically perfect for this. And I'm gonna align it. Now, it's really a good time to start with the paper that I have and apply background and add on embellishment on this. I'll start with the background because I have a special arrangement for it. As you know that I made myself this script background and I printed it on the plain white paper. It's super good in the edges. Okay, the special arrangement is this. Isn't it beautiful? So I firstly had this from the paper pad. It's a Bright Nights from Free Collections. I purchased it from Micro. Already used a lot of them, so it's just it doesn't have a lot left. You can see this. The paper, a lot of paper that I use are from this, but you can see such as this one and this one here. So first, and rearrange this onto the background. But before we do anything, it's always important to remember bring up the magnet. I glue them down, add small embellishment, so cute. And I changed my original idea of a solid pocket into a transparency pocket. So in that case, we can see through. They're just fine. Okay, super quick. I'm gonna create reinforcement with the label, and I'm gonna foil it with glue. So first of all, just as usual, apply right amount of glue on this. Then I'll use my distressed ink brushes to just make it kind of even. The next thing, I'll take my foil sheets and cut the right amount. Okay, I'll stick the ugly side down. Let's see what look it will give me later. Oops. Can you see this? It's so cool. The second one was created with the Distressed Collage medium from Ranger. They all applied with this distressed medium brush. So why I'm creating this? Because I'm gonna use this to create a reinforcement on the tag. So the last time I go through, I made this background and these two little balls in these two little transparency pocket, and they just turned out to be amazing. So this is the paper that I picked. First I'll glue them down and then attach reinforcement as we planned. Okay, I grabbed this that I have. I bought it from Michael's, and it just appears to me that this one looks like that one on the paper. I think it's a surprise. I'll get that one. I'll find some tutorials on how to make a ball. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this. See you next time.